The pressing arm lifts and then lowers, securing the coil in place and keeping it stable during uncoiling. The uncoiling unit runs forward and reverse to ensure smooth and controllable operation, checking both motion and motor response. After the current coil is finished, the decoiler heads rotate to bring the other coil into position, ready for the next operation. This double head design speeds up coil changeover, reduces downtime, and keeps operations running smoothly throughout the process. This is our DBMT double decoiler, designed to hold and uncoil steel coils efficiently. It provides steady material flow for subsequent processes and improves productivity in production lines.